Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, so for this week we will learn chapter 1, alkyl halides. Okay, so when we look at alkyl halides, okay, or the name is alkyl halides and aryl halides. So these are the outlines for this chapter. Okay, the outline for this chapter is that we will learn the nomenclature. Okay, nomenclature here is the IUPAC and common names of alkyl or aryl halides. Okay, and then reactions of alkyl halide. Okay, here. Okay, and then followed by the substitution reactions. Okay, substitution reactions in terms of its mechanism, stereochemistry, rate of reactions, and steric hindrance. Okay, and then we will learn the SN1, SN2 reactions and SN1 reactions. Okay, while the remaining elimination, E1 and E2 reactions will be covered on week 2. Okay, so we look at the first one. Okay, we look at the first one, which is nomenclature of IUPAC and its common name. Okay, so for alkyl halides, okay, alkyl halides, okay, or we call it aryl halides, depending on the type of R group attached, okay, on the halogen. Okay, alkyl, okay, this is the R. Okay, halide, usually we just in general equation we just put X. Okay, the same goes for aryl. Aryl is R and halide is X. Okay, so alkyl here means that it is derived from alkane. Okay, for example, okay, CH3 is methyl. Okay, so try to write down C1 until C10, where C1 is methyl, C2 is CH3, CH2, this one is ethyl. Okay, ethyl, C3. Okay, so you should know by now about this. CH2, CH2, this one is propyl. Okay, and the list goes on until C10. So try to memorize the number and the structure for this alkyl. Okay, so C4 is butyl, C5 is pentyl. Okay, pentyl. If it is normal chain, so all of this is the name: methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, and so on. Okay, now aryl means that the halogen is attached to benzene. Okay, benzene. Okay, so benzene, so the structure is like this. Okay, benzene. Okay, attached directly to halogen group. Okay, so we call it aryl. Okay, whenever the halogen attached to benzene ring, so the name is aryl. Okay, so the next one is cycloalkyl. Okay, cycloalkyl halide. Okay, cycloalkyl halide is where your cyclic structure, for example, this is cyclopentane. Okay, cyclopentane. Okay, so this cyclopentane attached to X. So X again is halogen. So here, this one also considered as cycloalkyl halide. Okay, now we know that the R here is alkyl, aryl, or cycloalkyl. Okay, so now X. X refers to halogen. Okay, halogen. Okay, so what is halogen? Halogen is group 17 in group periodic table. Okay, okay, group 17, where this halogen can be either F, followed by Cl, followed by Br, followed by I. Okay, so the reactivity increases, okay, from fluorine to iodine. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So increase reactivity. Okay, increase reactivity. So it means that iodine is the most reactive halogen. Okay, iodine is the most reactive halogen. So this one is strong or most reactive. So F is the weakest. Okay, is the weakest. Okay, while Cl and Br here considered as moderate. Okay, moderate reactivity. Okay, I repeat. Halogen. Okay, there are 4 elements under halogen, which are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, so for naming, okay, so naming is based on IUPAC. Okay, we have 2 types of naming. Okay, so here we have IUPAC naming, and common names. Okay, common names. So what is the difference between IUPAC and common names? IUPAC is a standard name. Okay, standard. It is a standard name, while common names is commercial name. Okay, commercial name. Okay, it's like our IC name and our nickname. So IUPAC is like IC name, and common name is like our nickname. So that is how you differentiate the nomenclature. So naming here is the nomenclature. Okay, the term here is nomenclature. Okay, so we look at IUPAC naming first.